Hey, good morning, everybody. So we're starting day 8. For math, day 8, you're going to take an addition and subtraction quiz. Make sure to solve each of these problems on a piece of paper or using your pen tool. Once you're done with that, you're going to go to IXL, work on the standard that's recommended for you. So look at that email I sent you if you did not get an email. So maybe you just signed up on Google Classroom, let me know. I will get that sent to you. And then do a few lessons in MathSoar. Our book discussion today at 10 o'clock will be over the final 2 chapters of Mr. Popper's Penguins. For reading today, it's going to be brand new. We'll talk about it a little bit today during our book discussion when we're done talking about Mr. Popper's Penguins. You're going to do Raz Kids. It's going to be over camouflage. So you have a book on Raz Kids about camouflage. There's several books on Mac and Via about camouflage, so I want you to take a look at those, and then you're going to solve or create, I guess is a better word, your own presentation. Here are the directions. Complete each slide, adding information in the text, adding information in text, pictures, diagrams, videos, or links. So what is camouflage? You can describe it here. How do predators use camouflage? You can describe it. You can use pictures. So if you want, you could even change the layout to where you have text like on one side and then put the picture on the other side. That's completely up to you, okay? You're totally free to create however you'd like. And then your writing is continue your story jumper or informational writing, okay? If you have questions, please let me know. Oh, and the Flipgrid on Mr. Popper's Penguins book review. That is still up. I have not seen anybody do that yet. So if you want to work on that. Okay, any questions, let me know. Thanks.